Huzur, Khalek Sahib, he wants to know about Huzur's opinion about the recent political change in Indonesia in the light of Huzur's.
I think this is good. The change is favorable to Ahmadiyyat because the mullahs were given a free hand recently in Indonesia, and the present president was backing them up. So that's not only good for Ahmadiyyat, it is also good for Indonesia, because there were many fights in between and there was no reasonable possibility of peace during the presidency of this president. So alhamdulillah, I am very happy that the change has been brought about, and I hope the problems will be settled peacefully, but I have yet to see. Let's hope and see.